找到 means to achieve a successful result after a search. 1. Structure and meaning. Structure. Verb 找 to look for. Result complement 到 achieve or reach. Basic meaning. Successfully performing the act of searching and discovering the target person or object. It also indicates obtaining or reaching a certain goal. 2. Affirmative sentence usage. Pattern. Subject plus 找到 plus object, noun. Examples. 她找到了一份满意的工作. She found a suitable job. 你找到他的家了吗? Did you find his house? 3. Negative sentence usage. Pattern. Subject plus 没有 plus 找到 plus object, noun. Meaning, the search action was performed, but it was unsuccessful. Examples. 我没有找到我的钥匙. I didn't find my key. 他没有找到合适的衣服. He didn't find a suitable clothes. Note, when negating, one does not say 不找到, because 到 indicates that the result has been achieved. When negating the result of the action, you must use 没有. 4. Interrogative sentence usage. Patterns. Subject plus 找到 plus object plus 了 plus 吗. Subject plus 找到 plus object plus 没有. Examples. 你找到钱包了吗? Did you find your wallet? 你找到你的书没有? Did you find your book or not?
你找到新的工作了吗？你找到新的工作了吗？
Did you find a new job?
我找到一份满意的工作。我找到一份满意的工作。
I found a satisfactory job.
我没找到我的手机。我没找到我的手机。
I haven't found my cell phone.
你找遍所有房间了没？你找遍所有房间了没？
Did you search all the rooms?
我们找到需要的资料了。我们找到需要的资料了。
We found the needed information.
这些资料很有帮助吗？这些资料很有帮助吗？
Is this information very helpful?
司机找到我们酒店了吗？司机找到我们酒店了吗？
Did the driver find our hotel?
他没找到，他迷路了。他没找到，他迷路了。
He didn't find it. He got lost.
我们找到那张旧照片。我们找到那张旧照片。
We found that old photo.
那是多久以前的照片？那是 多久以前的照片？
How long ago was that photo taken?
经理没找到合适的人选。经理没找到合适的人选。
The manager didn't find a suitable candidate.
找一个新的秘书很难吗？找一个新的秘书很难吗？
Is it hard to find a new secretary?
你找到你的护照了没？你找到你的护照了没？
Did you find your passport?
我找到了，在背包里。我找到了，在背包里。
Yes, I found it. It's in the backpack.
我终于找到我的眼镜了。我终于找到我的眼镜了。
I finally found my glasses.
你放在哪里找不见了？你放在哪里找不见了？
Where did you put them that you couldn't find them?
我找到附近的面包店。我找到附近的面包店。
I found the nearby bakery.
你想去买点儿面包吗？你想去买点儿面包吗？
Do you want to go buy some bread?
小王没找到那个地址。小王没找到那个地址。
Xiao Wang didn't find that address.
我也没找到正确的门。我也没找到正确的门。
I didn't find the correct door either.
弟弟没找到他的作业本。弟弟没找到他的作业本。
Little brother didn't find his notebook.
他把它放在学校了吗？他把它放在学校了吗？
Did he leave it at school?
他们找到好的办法了。他们找到好的办法了。
They found a good solution.
是一个简单的方法吗？是一个简单的方法吗？
Is it a simple method?
我没有找到我的雨伞。我没有找到我的雨伞。
I didn't find my umbrella.
你找到你的钥匙了吗？ 你找到你的钥匙了吗？
Did you find your keys?
爸爸找到那个杯子了吗？爸爸找到那个杯子了吗？
Did Dad find that cup?
他没有找到，也许在客厅。他没有找到，也许在客厅。
No, he didn't find it. Maybe it's in the living room.
玛丽找到她的行李了。玛丽找到她的行李了。
Mary found her luggage.
行李是不是很重？行李是不是很重？
Is the luggage very heavy?
小狗还没有找到它的球呢。小狗还没有找到它的球呢。
The puppy hasn't found its ball yet.
他的球是不是丢了？他的球是不是丢了？
Is its ball lost?
司机找到一个停车位。司机找到一个停车位。
The driver found a parking spot.
停车位是不是很小？停车位是不是很小？
Is the parking spot very small?
我没有找到正确的答案。我没有找到正确的答案。
I didn't find the correct answer.
你要不要再试一次？你要不要再试一次？
Do you want to try again?
你找到那件衬衫了没？你找到那件衬衫了没？
Did you find that shirt?
我没有找到，不在衣柜里。我没有找到，不在衣柜里。
No, I didn't find it. It's not in the wardrobe.
他没有找到去火车站的路。他没有找到去火车站的路。
He didn't find the way to the train station.
我们也没有找到地图。我们也没有找到地图。
We didn't find the map either.